Pawns of Power Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Using paper or the SSS Games web program, players may only perform moves based on how much power they have. At the start of the game, each player begins with 0 power. At the beginning of each of your turns, for each pawn and promoted pawn you have in play, you receive plus 0.5 power. Tap the app to give yourself the correct amount of power based on your pawn count. You may not have more than 10 total power. In order to move a piece, you must spend 1 full power per space it moves. If you don't have enough power to move a piece, you may not move it. Half powers cannot be used. You are not allowed to move a piece a distance that is greater than the amount of power you have available. Therefore, you do not check or checkmate a king if you would not have enough power on your next turn. A knight always uses exactly 3 power to move, and castling requires enough power to move both the king and rook the total number of spaces, either 4 or 5 power depending on which side you castle. If you don't have enough power to perform a move, or you choose not to move, then your turn is skipped and your opponent goes. If you are in check and don't have enough power to move your king, then you lose. If both players run out of pawns and promoted pawns, then the game ends in a draw.